Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make zero gravity. We often confuse zero gravity with the absence of gravity, but it's actually about continuous freefall. Imagine you and everything around you are falling together. That's the feeling of weightlessness. Gravity is still present, pulling everything down, but without a surface to push back, you feel as if you are floating. This principle is key to understanding how we can simulate this unique environment here on Earth, even if only for short durations. One of the most well-known methods to experience simulated zero gravity is through parabolic flights. Specialized aircraft, often called vomit comets, fly a roller coaster-like path. As the plane crests the top of its arc and begins its descent, for about 20 to 25 seconds, everything inside experiences freefall. This allows astronauts to train and scientists to conduct experiments in a microgravity environment, offering a unique, albeit temporary, taste of space. Another effective way to achieve short bursts of microgravity is using drop towers. These impressive structures, some over 100 meters tall, house a vacuum chamber. An experimental capsule is released from the top, falling freely for several seconds. During this descent, the capsule and its contents experience near-perfect weightlessness. This method is invaluable for researchers studying how materials and fluids behave without the influence of gravity, providing insights into fundamental physics. At its core, making zero gravity, or more accurately, weightlessness, is about achieving a state of continuous freefall. Imagine dropping a ball and yourself at the exact same moment. You would both fall together, and the ball would appear to float relative to you. This is because gravity is accelerating both of you at the same rate, removing any contact forces. This fundamental principle is what allows us to simulate space-like conditions here on Earth, even if only for brief, exhilarating moments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.